Did you know that you can make $19 every minute just by using Google Docs? It's an amazing opportunity. You can earn money right from the comfort of your own home during breaks at work or even while on vacation, practically anywhere in the world. And the best part, you don't need any prior experience to get started. All you need is your device and internet connection. So if you're ready to seize this incredible opportunity and start earning money online easily, then be sure to stay tuned and stick around until the very end of this video. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on these valuable tips and tricks. Let's dive right in and unlock your earning potential with Google Docs. Also, don't forget to download the free ebook on how to make money online using AI chatbots without coding. The link is in the description down below. And before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my brand new Make Money Online videos. Now, let's get started. Let's begin by opening up Google Docs. You can do this by visiting docs.google.com directly or by searching for Google Docs and clicking on the first result. Once you're in, take a look at this document here. It's a simple example I'll be using. Now, pay attention to the words with red lines underneath them. These are misspelt words, but don't worry. Google Docs has a helpful tool that can correct these mistakes automatically, saving you time and effort. To access this tool, simply click on Tools at the top of the page, then choose Spelling and Grammar. Next, select Spelling and Grammar Check. Now, you will see suggestions for correcting each misspelt word. Just click Accept to correct them one by one. For example, if I click Accept, you'll see the word corrected. You can do the same for any other misspelt words you come across. With this handy tool, you can easily correct all the mistakes in your document without breaking a sweat. And the best part, it's all automatic, so you can focus on other tasks while Google Docs takes care of the rest. Before we continue, I'd love to know where you're watching from. Leave a comment down below with the country you live in. So, here's how you can use this free proofreading tool to proofread Google documents and earn a steady income from the comfort of your home every day. I'll introduce you to 3 websites. As promised, you can utilize the tool I just demonstrated to complete these tasks efficiently and at no cost. The website we'll explore is proofreadingservices.com, which boasts an impressive client base of over 25,000 and collaborates with major companies. They consistently seek proofreaders to join their team. To begin, scroll to the bottom of their homepage and select Careers. This will lead you to a page where you can find online proofreading jobs. What's appealing about this opportunity is its global accessibility. Applicants from any country are welcome. They offer both part-time and full-time positions with hourly rates, ranging from $19 to $46 based on your speed and efficiency. The quicker you work, the more you earn. This is where the Google Docs tool becomes invaluable, enabling you to complete tasks swiftly and maximize your earning potential. If you're eager to quit the 9-to-5 hamster wheel, make sure you subscribe so I can keep creating more content like this. So, to begin, simply click on the Apply button to initiate your application as an online proofreader, which will direct you to the designated page. Here, you'll encounter a proofreading quiz that must be completed within a 20-minute time frame, as indicated by the countdown timer. I currently have approximately 19 minutes remaining to complete the quiz. Enter your first and last name, email address, as well as your city and country. Following this, you'll encounter a series of multiple-choice questions. For instance, the initial question pertains to copper as an element on the periodic table, requiring you to select the correct answer. If uncertain, there's no need to worry. Simply copy the question, navigate to ChatGPT, paste it, and initiate a search for the answer, as demonstrated previously. You'll find the correct response provided by the tool. Proceed to answer all remaining questions. In case of uncertainty, utilize ChatGPT, which is also freely accessible. Once you've completed all questions, compose a 3 to 4 sentence writing sample in the designated space. Additionally, you may select any other relevant skills you possess or choose none of the above if applicable. Rest assured, if you don't pass the quiz on your initial attempt, you can retreat. Finally, check the box indicating your agreement to the terms of service, then submit your application. Subsequently, you'll receive an email containing your first task. Ensure you provide your personal email address and accurate information to avoid potential issues later on. It's a straightforward process. Wait a minute, have you been enjoying this video so far? If your answer is yes, then this is the perfect time to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it yet. So go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that bell to get notified of our future uploads. Now, let's delve into the intricacies of refining your proofreading skills. Beyond just correcting spelling and grammar, a proficient proofreader needs to pay attention to consistency, style, and overall coherence of the content. Google Docs offers features like Find and Replace that can help streamline these tasks. By using this tool, you can search for specific words or phrases throughout your document and make uniform changes as needed. For instance, if you're proofreading a marketing document and need to replace a product name throughout, you can easily do so with a few clicks. This level of efficiency not only saves time, but also enhances the quality of your work, making you a valuable asset to potential employers. Moreover, as you gain experience in proofreading, you'll start noticing patterns in common errors and areas where writers often struggle. Utilize Google Docs' commenting feature to provide constructive feedback and suggestions directly within the document. This collaborative approach not only helps improve the document at hand, but also establishes your credibility as a thorough and attentive proofreader. Clients and employers appreciate proactive communication and the ability to offer actionable insights that elevate the final output. Additionally, don't overlook the power of networking and building a portfolio. Google Docs allows you to create a professional portfolio showcasing your before and after samples of proofread documents. This visual representation of your work demonstrates your proficiency and attention to detail. Share your portfolio link with potential clients or include it in your applications to online proofreading platforms. Building a strong portfolio not only attracts more opportunities, but also allows you to command higher rates as you showcase your expertise and track record of delivering polished work. By harnessing the full potential of Google Docs and leveraging its features for efficient proofreading, you can carve out a successful career in the lucrative field of online proofreading. Remember, consistency, attention to detail, and continuous improvement are key factors that will set you apart and pave the way for a rewarding and fulfilling journey in the world of digital proofreading. If you can't wait to achieve financial freedom and live life on your terms, hit the like button. And there you have it, folks. You just unlocked the potential of earning money online through the power of Google Docs and online proofreading. By following the steps outlined in this video, you're well on your way to building a successful career or side income as a proficient proofreader. Remember, consistency and dedication are the pillars of success in any endeavor. If you want to know the top 21 ways to make money online from home, make sure you click the video showing on the screen right now. Thank you for watching, and here's to your success as you embark on this rewarding journey of online proofreading and financial freedom. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep earning. Goodbye.